sticks to any metal surface. This is a super useful tool that I highly recommend to any homeowners. If you want to put on some shelves, pegboards, it's just simple and effective. Just two modes. Off switch, on, which is locked. As you can see, that center beam is not moving at all. And then you have the automatic level right here. And it moves, right? Automatically leveled, high precision. Also, it comes with the included magnetic mount. Has like really strong magnets in the back. Quarter inch. So potentially you can also mount this one on your tripod. Just screw it in like so. And by the way, it is powered by two AA batteries, which are included. This laser level is such a great help when installing large projects like this. I have 7 pegboards, and this is the centerpiece. Now, without this laser level, I have to use my pencil and maybe perhaps a large level to draw the line on the wall and lay down the piece. With this thing, I can make any adjustment I want and still be really accurate. Highly recommended.